Most people don't realize this, but your brain has been lying to you about change. It keeps telling you that you need more time, more motivation, or the perfect moment. That voice feels logical, but it's not. It's fear pretending to be patience. Psychologists call this comfort bias, and it controls more of your life than you think. Your habits, your relationships, even your confidence are shaped by it. It's the reason your goals stay ideas instead of actions. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. But here's where it gets even worse. Your brain doesn't care if you're unhappy. It only cares if you're safe. And to your mind, familiar pain feels safer than unfamiliar growth. Here's the painful truth most people avoid. Your brain will choose comfort over change every single time unless you force it otherwise. Staying stuck feels predictable, and predictability feels safe, even when that safety is slowly destroying your potential. And here's the part nobody wants to admit. Change feels like a threat before it feels like progress. Discomfort triggers fear, doubt, and excuses. That's why most people quit before anything actually shifts. This happens because your brain evolved to keep you alive, not successful. It treats uncertainty like danger and resistance, like protection. So it pushes you to delay, overthink, and wait. Your mind thinks it's helping you, but it's quietly trapping you. If that hit you, good. That uncomfortable feeling is awareness waking up. It means you're starting to see the pattern, and once you see it, you can't blame luck anymore. If you want to break this cycle, stop waiting to feel ready. Take one uncomfortable action every day, especially when your brain tells you not to. That's how you retrain your mind, and that's how your life finally starts to change.